Hello, this is a video announcement for weeks 3 to 4. For weeks 3 to 4, you only have one task you have to accomplish, and that is to write your literacy narrative, which is a diagnostic essay. Now, before you begin this task, make sure that you, as always, print out our weekly checklist, okay? And you are going to then see there's several modules that are going to help you write this assignment. Probably the most important thing that I want to mention in this announcement is make sure below Module 12, again, this is below weeks 3 to 4, you print out or save the literacy narrative overview. This is a handout that overviews what a literacy narrative is, potential topic ideas, as well as the structures that you could use for this assignment. Absolutely, if you're not attending class physically, you need to watch A2 and A3. These are the lectures that I'm going to be giving the students in class, so you need to watch these lectures on writing the literacy narrative. I expand upon the topic ideas and also elaborate on some of the information regarding the structure. And I also reference the two student examples. One is in the packet, but also one is in the textbook on page 209. So before you write your literacy narrative, make sure print out that handout. Also look at these two lectures, okay? And make sure that you look at all the resources I mentioned in those two videos. It will be helpful. Later, you're going to submit this particular essay, okay? You're going to submit it in this Dropbox. It's D. When you click on this, there are, directions again on this essay, which if you watch the videos, you should already know that information. But I know some of you like to read your instructions and not just watch them and hear them. So I have those for you as well. It's going to give you the opportunity to submit. Make sure you submit the essay by its due date, okay? And also ensure that you submit that essay either in Microsoft Word, Microsoft 360, or through Google Docs. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me. But again, print out the handouts, watch the video lectures, and then ask me the questions if those don't answer those questions, okay? Thank you. Have a wonderful 2 weeks.